like a relay race. When I run up in the spot, bitches know they place. Slide on a nigga, I'ma need my skates. Social distance, I'ma need my space. I done did it, I won with it. I made peace with my...
Hey guys, it's Spice. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I have a new braiding style that I decided to do. I've been seeing it all over Instagram, but I don't know what they're called. It's like lemonade braids in the front and box braids in the back. But I feel like it's really versatile. And if you want to see how I pull this off, make sure you keep watching. Hey guys, I look like this because I'm super sick. Like, I feel horrible. But I'm going to be braiding my hair because I need to do something with it. This is the style that I'm gonna attempt to do. I seen it on Instagram, like a reel, and I have to take like screenshots of it. I'm like, oh my god, there's no tutorials. So of course I'm gonna make a tutorial and I'm gonna show y'all how to get this style. So if you want to see all of that, make sure you stay tuned, and we finna head to the hair store right now.
I don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place.
Okay, so this is the hair I ended up going with from the hair store. As usual, I got the free tress braiding hair, pre-stretched, because I don't know what you hoes are talking about. I need a pre-stretch. And then I got Lulu Tress Water Wave. I'm gonna make sure I link it down below because I never used this one before, so I'm crossing my fingers it turns out nicely. The back part with the box braids, I have so many box braiding videos and tutorials. I'm probably gonna fast forward through that part like a lot, like really fast, and then focus mainly on the cornrows at the top.
Cause the love you give, you can't be replaced. So no one else knows what to do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is no one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give. All day long, your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Let your edge out to some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've came from you, should've listened to me. I worry that I wasted the best of me on you, baby, you don't care. This is hurting. Trying to make sense of those chains that be a war in my mind. Let it go away, he was holding me.
So now we're at the top with the cornrows. I actually had to do one cornrow off camera just to make sure it was coming out right, or I'm like, listen, we're gonna have to scrap this whole video. But a few different things. Make sure you try to make your parts as thin as possible, especially if you have really thick hair like me, or it's just going to come out looking like dookie braids. Another thing, you can tell when I start braiding, I only use a thin piece of hair at the very beginning of the braid so that it can like anchor it and hold its shape. I don't add any more hair extensions all the way throughout the cornrow until I get to the end where it's hanging off by my ear, because my hair is way too thick and the braid would be too big. So if you have thick hair like me, make sure you just do the cornrow with your regular hair and then add the hair once you get down to the bottom. Just a little side note, these did not come out perfect at all. I had to redo a couple braids a few times, so basically what you need is patience, because if you want it to look professionally done, sometimes you have to go back over your work and readjust.
Choose the words, but it will bring something fun on me. All the while, I leave my almost feelings. Still wanna try, still believe it. Good days, always inside. Good living in my mind. Only on my fears, my name.
You see how neat it's coming out now? It's because I had to slow down, redo a few, and make sure I take my time. Even though my arms were burning, make sure you move really slow. Like, well, if you braid fast, but just make sure you do not rush.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I'm sick of checking with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my mind, and my body. My body says, my mind, and my heart. My body says, I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to do is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last, till my body's so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I'm checking with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. In my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, and my body. My body says, my mind, and my heart. My body says, I know, I know, gotta talk alright. I know you gotta talk alright. Baby, I just wanna talk to you. Talk to you. Know that shit, know that shit, know that bitch inside. I really wanna go, I really need to know. Can we get it together? Get it together, get it together. I really wanna stay, I really wanna go, but I really need to know. Can we get it together? Get it together, get it together.
Here is basically just a close-up of how I added the curly ends onto my braids. I added a clip earlier, but just in case you missed it, here it is again.
I really wanna go, but I really need to know. Can we get it together? Get it together, get it together. I really wanna stay, I really wanna go, but I really need to know. Can we get it together? Get it together, get it together. wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not babe. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You won't hear me up when you make it. You try to come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not base. You wanna get with me, stop. Y'all on this side, y'all over on this side. Hey, told me about all your insecurities for what? Dragged me like 2 hours to your family's house for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around's the same as being stuck. That's that shit that drives me crazy. And like guns with the aching, you're getting under my skin. Pretty little young thing, had a nigga convinced, got me too excited. Yeah. You play me, you play me. You my heart, this can't be the first time. We my heart.
Right here, I'm just going to go ahead and burn the top of my cornrows so I can catch any flyaways I left out. I do not do this on the box braid portion, just the cornrows. So this is how the style came out. Let me turn around so you guys can see it. It's so cute. I'm like, oh my god. What? Like, too cute. But yeah. If you made it this far, clearly you're feeling your girl, and I'm feeling you too. Thank you for tuning in. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And I'll catch you next week. Later. Hey y'all, it's Spice. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I have a new braiding style. So yeah, so this is how the style came out.